Hello everyone and welcome to this SD1 video. You may be wondering how we got here. Well, we'll get to that bit in a minute, but remember to subscribe, like the video as well if you liked it, dislike if you hate me, and comment on the video of your favourite part of this whole restoration journey, putting things back together and all that jazz, because damn, it has been a good one, this one so far. So without further ado, I also have an Instagram as well, so in the description there's an Instagram account that you can follow, and I post a lot of updates on there of cars like this and cars like this. So as you can see here, we are outside. So what we're doing today, well, we don't have the carb tuner, so we're not doing that, but we put the carbs back on. It's another set, so let's have a look. Perfect, all been refurbished professionally and put them all back on, and they all lift up and down and all that jazz. We're out of fuel at the minute, so I can't show you, but if I push on that plunger it goes up, if I push on that one it goes up. So we've put all that back together, all that jazz, and we have managed to sort that out. So what you'll see in this video is us sorting out the front brakes and bleeding the rear as well. And we decided against putting the new pads on and the new discs on because the pads and discs on this look new. We also found out it had some yellow polybush things put on it on some of the arms, so that's pretty good. But what we've done basically is cleaned all the brakes up. I've undersealed these arches as well, which you'll see. So without further ado, let's get into the meat and potatoes, I guess, of this video. So the first thing we decided to do, because of course with cars you do need to stop, we used a wire brush and a wire wheel on a drill to sort out the wheel arch area. So that includes the brakes, the suspension, etc. And we did a general cleanup of that area as well. We were going to use the new brake hoses and the new discs and pads, but we've got plenty of meat left on these pads and plenty left on the discs, and the brake hoses didn't fit, which is very irritating. So we sorted that out, and then we went on to bleeding the brakes. Don't worry about all that dust. We did use brake cleaner on these, and we didn't just drive it out. We used a bit of brake cleaner to clear all that up. And then we're probably going to end up changing the discs and pads anyway, but we just wanted to get it starting and stopping. As some of you remember, I did this on the Vitesse. I'm due to do it on the 75, so let me know if you want to see that video of me refurbing this area and getting it all rust free. And you'll see here a before and after, and it looks pretty good, especially inside of that wheel arch, free from all of that really historic mud. Here we are, the most hated car-related activity in my book, bleeding brakes. And what's your most hated car-related activity? Let me know in the comments. But anyway, usual stuff, cracking bleed nipples, pumping brakes, all that jazz really. Funny thing on this, it only has 3 bleed nipples, one for each front caliper and then 1 for the rear. So you've obviously just got to crack that one to sort that out. And it took absolutely ages for brake fluid to come through there. So safe to say, it definitely... There is something so satisfying about watching a car pop back onto all 4 of its wheels. I mean, just look at that face. There she goes. I hope. There she doesn't go. These cars do fail really bad, which is what we're going to do outside. There we are. There we go. Look at that. What are you doing? You've bugging me Haynes manual. You've buggered the Haynes manual.
What?
You've buggered the Haynes manual.
Where was it?
It's on the roof.
Was it?
So here we are, everybody. We're outside. We've made it. obviously after a bit of hesitation from it, but we can sort of see that it is a bit dirty. We've taken the spoiler off and we have refitted these lights. We put 2 new ones in. I just need to screw them on. But the spoiler is in here. It's the good old fiberglass rimmer special, so we need to sort that out. So we're going to re-fiberglass the bits that hold it on, and then we're going to sort that out properly. But gosh damn, look at it. Looks great. And if we look inside the wheel arch, well, if we look at here, you can see the redone calipers, which I'll also put on screen. See, all that in there is all nice and undersealed. And generally, she's looking pretty good. So here's my handiwork. There's a lovely other Rover there, but there's my handiwork. The front, brilliant paint, if I do say so myself. But next thing's next. We're just going to give her a quick wash down, see if we can get a running issue sorted without all the tools we need. And then we're going to probably call it a day, because we've done a decent amount on this today. And after that, we've just got a few more things to do. But I'll run down that in sort of the video rundown, and we'll go from there. But here, as you can see, our boot lid is not rotten, which is very good. A lot of people whack these spoilers on to hide a bit of rot. Ours is really good. But in general, we're looking really nice. We just need a bit of a clean. So I'm not going to film the cleaning. It's rather boring, but you'll see it afterwards, or you might see some clips. Who the hell knows? I think I'm going to bring her and her up there for a photo shoot, because gosh damn, that looks good. So we've got the new number plate light kit thing with the plastic retainers. They always go really brittle and break, so we're just going to replace them now. Put these 2 new ones in, so we don't have to worry about it anymore. They've even got the gaskets, which is brilliant, so we'll get them stuck in. New number plate lights are on. The other one didn't even have a gasket, so they work, obviously, as you can see when I press it. You know, you just need to have someone permanently in the boot pressing it. We just need to clean the connectors up, so we'll sort that out. Very nice. So if you guys remember, this car hasn't run right for a bit. That's due to the fuel pump. It's not providing like a constant rate of fuel. So what's happened is it's overfueled the carbs, I assume. This is how it was explained, and what we deduced as well. And then it's backfired into the engine, into the top of the cam cover, and then it's shot the cam cover gasket out the other side. So that's pretty funny. But yeah, we thought we'd lost it there, and I was ready to call it. But here we are, and we sort of try this in-flight refueling exercise of spraying easy start into the carbs just to get it moving, because we really don't want to leave it outside all night. But there we are, and then we obviously ended up managing to get it started again, and now we need a new fuel pump, which is going to be absolutely great. Come on! We're getting in. There we go. We're doing it. Oh, yes. Get in. Stupid thing. Get in. Thank God for that. What the fuck was that? Why wasn't it working and all of a sudden it worked? So here we are after that. We've managed to get it in through the magic of it just bloody turning on eventually. We think it's probably a fueling issue, so it's probably the fuel pump. If anyone has any pointers though, please let us know, because we are not that good at this, as you've seen. So ending that, what have we done today? Well, we've sorted the brakes out. We've bled all the brakes up and done a bit of undersealing and all that magic. We've managed to move it and then have it brake again. So that is about that. I'll leave a few clips and everything in here so you can all check and have a look. Oh, we also changed the number plate lights as well, and took the spoiler off and realised it wasn't as bad as we thought. So without further ado, we are going to end this video because today has been a bit of a rotten day, but who cares really. But yeah, if anybody has any tips or anything, please let us know. And if anyone knows anyone in the area that is good at this sort of thing, personally I think it's just the in-tank pump, but we'll try that and we'll see if that works. And then if it doesn't work, then we're gonna have to hire a man. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, and remember to subscribe for more of this, and you might eventually see it move.